Good morning, students. Myself Umashankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you chapter 3, factorization. So, factorization, I explain the factor means that of given two terms, that is in previous chapter in polynomial, if given p of x and q of x, two polynomial term are given, then that is divided of qx divided of q of x in p of x, then find the zero. So in that is the say to factorization, that is a factor of qx if the divided and that is remainder is 0, that is say to the, that is the q of x is a factor of p of x, means that term is divided through that term, means qx is divide through px, so it is divided, so that is say to factorization, that is factor of p of x is q of x. And next term is factorization, that is the divide of p of x and q of x when the order and power, or say to degree, had it is divided in the lower term, that is no has another factor of that polynomial, say to, that is factorization, means that is the power is comes to the lowest term and after that term that is not divided of such term, so that is say to the factorization, means after that degree is the lower term, then that is not divided to the such lowest term, so that is say to the factorization. Some examples are taken, that is now taken, that is x square minus 16, so that is say the degree is 2 and that is the factor of x plus 4 and x minus 4, so that term, that is the degree, that is 1 and 1, so that is now again further not factorize of that term, so that is say to the factorization of this term. So now again, that is x square, now taken an example, x square minus 3x plus 2, so that is the factorization, so that is say to the, now that term is multiply and 1 into 2, that is 2, means 1 plus 2, that is 3, so x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 and that is factorize x minus 1 and minus 2x minus 1, that comes to, that is x minus 1 and x minus 2, that is the, it is the higher degree and it is the lower degree, so always when factorize of any term, that is find out in the lower degree order, so that is the term of factorization. I discuss some formula in this chapter use, so now taken of that formula is taken, that is a plus b whole square, means that is in previous classes also discussed, that is a plus b and a plus b, it is multiply, that is a into a square plus a into b, ab, and that term through another term, that is a into b, ab, and b into b, that is b square, means a square plus 2ab plus b square, so that is the term of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now another term taken, if again a minus b and a minus b whole square, so that is a minus b and a minus b also multiply, that is the a into a square, plus into minus ab, and now another term, that is taken this term a into b plus into minus ab, and this term minus into minus plus b into b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this term is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now another taken formula, that is usage in this factorization chapter, that is a plus b whole cube. So find, that is a plus b whole cube means a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. So this term, that is a plus b and a plus b, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab and a plus b. So multiply of these term a square b square plus 2ab into a plus b, that is a into a square a cube, a into b square, and another is 2a square b. So these term clear out. Now another b a square b plus a square b, a square b. Now b plus b square, that is b cube, and another 2ab and b, that is 2ab square. Now add up this term a cube, 3ab square plus 3a square b plus b cube, b square into b cube. So this term is a cube plus b cube plus, that is a cube plus b cube, and that term plus 3ab into a plus b, that is 3ab into a plus b. Now another term, multiply of this term also, that is to find out, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This term factorize and multiply through, find out. Okay, thank you.